疫情防控工作领导小组的安排，今天我们召开第114次新闻发布会，发布疫情防控的有关情况，回答社会和市民关切的问题。近日，北京市连续出现新增新冠肺炎确诊病例，防止疫情反弹蔓延的形势十分严峻。
New cases are found. We're facing a strict situation to control the virus. This has once again warned us that we should not relax or manslide, and it's also a long-term fight against COVID-19. Right now, it's come to the critical stage, so we should be level-headed and have a clear understanding that we also facing the imported cases, and also it's a very complicated situation for us, and it's also should prepare ourselves for the long-term fight. At the 67th work conference, so we talk about that we should control the people from the overseas, and we should also put a close eye on the quarantine inspections of the goods coming inside Beijing, and the Fengtai wholesale market should be a center of our focus, and we will conduct the all-round inspections. The leading parties involved should shoulder their responsibilities and also increase their level of prevention and control for each community and compound, as well as the blocks. They should also make a inspection on the wholesale market, agricultural market, as well as restaurant. We should stick to the highest level of prevention and control, and the sports activities are halted, and also the schools for the grade 1 to 3 also should be wait until the further requirement, and we should do everything to curb the spread of the virus in order to protect our people's safety and health. And please not buy in the fake news, the rumors online, and just keep your hand hygiene, make the ventilation of the rooms, don't conduct any gatherings, and also put your mask on. If your family members show the symptoms such as fever or coughing, please protect yourself well and then bring your family member to the nearby fever clinic. Today with us, we also have a special guest from the Beijing CDC, from the Fengtai District, as well as the Bureau of Commerce to give you the updated information. First, allow me to introduce our guests. They are Mr. Wang Hongchen, from the Beijing Municipal Bureau of Commerce, Mr. Gao Xiaojun, spokesperson of the Beijing Municipal Health Commission, Mr. Zhu Junwei, Deputy Secretary of the Beijing Fengtai District Committee, and Madame Pang Xinhuo from Beijing CDC. First, I give the floor to Madame Pang Xinhuo for the updated confirmed cases. Friends from the media, the new cases confirmed in Beijing are as follows. On yesterday, the newly confirmed cases were 4. Now I elaborate to you the 4 cases. The first case from Beijing Xicheng District, a company's employee living in Fengshan District, Changyang County, Jiuzhou Xia Compound, on May 30 and June 5th and 6th, paid a visit to Fengtai wholesale market by motorcycle, and he exhibited the symptoms of fever, fatigue, coughing, and also with the highest temperature is 38.6 degrees Celsius, and also paid a visit to the nearby fever clinic, and also showed a test positive for the virus on 12th. And this is the mild symptom case confirmed. And a 50-year-old man, that's the second case from Baoding District, right now living in Xinfadi seafood market. He was the driver as well as the buyer for the market. He showed symptoms on 6th of June and lived in Tiantan Hospital with positive result for the virus. And it's a confirmed cases by the experts and severe case. Third, a 35-year-old man from Hebei province, now living and working for Xinfadi seafood market. He's a seller in the market. He exhibited symptoms of fever and also hospitalized in Tiantan with a positive result for the virus. It's also the confirmed cases. And it's a mild case. And for the first case, a 27-year-old woman from Shandong province, right now working for Xinfadi wholesale market. Is a self-owned employee and also living nearby Xinfadi wholesale market. And we found the symptoms of a fever, coughing on the 9th of June and also hospitalized in Beijing Friendship Hospital and with a positive result for the virus. And it's the mild cases for COVID-19. The above 4 cases already transferred to the designated hospitals for further treatment. In the recent days, we have found more cases confirmed locally transmitted. With only one case with a surname Liu with a travel history in the past 2 weeks, the rest of the cases no contact with people from Hubei province or with a travel history to other cities. Based on the epidemiological investigations, they all had a trajectory of a movement to Xinfadi wholesale market, and we also conducted the sample testing on the environment of the Xinfadi market and also show positive for the virus. So we believe that maybe these cases or these patients had a contact with the infected people in Xinfadi market or with the products in the Xinfadi market. Therefore, we decided to close off the Xinfadi wholesale market. We believe it's necessary. Based on the current situation in Beijing, on June 12th, we have already organized the professional groups of experts to conduct a city-wide inspections covering wholesale market as well as the supermarket. And we took the samples from the seafood products, fresh and frozen meats, totaling more than 5,000, and we found 40 positive results for the virus from Xinfadi wholesale market. The rest samples showed negative results. And we also conduct the PCR test on the 1,940 people. Among the 517 cases we conducted citywide, 45 out of the 547 from Xinfadi showed positive results. And right now, these group of people not show any clinical manifestations,
谢谢北京市疾病预防控制中心副主任庞星火的通报。下面有请丰台区人民政府代区长朱军威介绍丰台区疫情防控的有关情况。
Fengtai District to give you more details in Fengtai District. Regarding the situation in Xinfadi wholesale market, yesterday, Fengtai total reported 5 new confirmed cases of COVID-19. The Fengtai District Health Commission conducted the tracing and involved some of the people in Xinfadi market. So we right now initiated the wartime management, and we also organized and established the center and always put people's life and safety as our top priority, and we also the closed-off management for the nearby compound also activated. Details are followed. First, we temporarily closed the Xinfadi wholesale market. This is a market that featured a large population migrant and also From 3 a.m. today, we decide to close the wholesale market and also conduct the environment as well as people working for the wholesale market to have a full knowledge and also evaluate the level of risks of the Xinfa market. And second, we also roll out a larger scale of the epidemiological investigations based on the movement trajectory. We also roll out the people involved to identify the potential venue as well as people in order to find the source of the virus. Right now in Fengtai, the close contacts right now total to 139, all in quarantine. Third, we'll make sure everyone should be tested. For the people working for wholesale markets of Xinfa as well as the whole environment should be all tested. Right now, 517 people got the throat swab. For the surface of the items, the seafood products, fresh and frozen meats, as well as the environment, we also collect 1,901. Fourth, we also had the 3 open space trading area, make sure everyone wear a test and also keep their hand hygiene, and also make sure everything should be conducted in a very safe and orderly manner in order to guarantee a sufficient supply of food. And this right now we're under the level 3 management style, but we stick to the level 2 management style. For 11 compound nearby, the wholesale market of Xinfa is all conducted close off management, and we have people in charge 24 hours. And we also have the treatment of the fever clinic and also the 3 schools and also the kindergartens nearby. For the students already back to school, they will be halted, and for the students not yet back to school, they should wait for the further details and information. And we will also send more cartridges to the community level, make sure that we have the sufficient supply to the people right now under the close-off management. And we will also have more people from the medical institutions to provide medical services, and will also conduct a large scale of these infections in order to curb the spread of the virus. Going forward, we will conduct the epidemiological investigations in Fengtai District to find out the source of the virus, make sure that everything under control and everything need to be conducted or tested, get a test. Make sure that we will better protect the vulnerable people, and will also conduct the more as well as stricter the management for each compound. Make sure people know their roles and responsibilities. We will also keep you updated. Thank you, Mr. Chu Junwei. Now I give the floor to Mr. Gao Xiaojun, spokesperson of the Beijing Municipal Health Commission regarding the PCR test on the people working for Xinfa wholesale market. Friends from the media, good morning. Now I would like to give you the more details regarding the PCR, the people working for Xinfa wholesale market. Since we found confirmed cases among the employees of Xinfa wholesale market as well as their close contacts also showed positive results for the virus. Therefore, the people with a close contact history starting from May 30 will be all under our investigation regarding PCR. And we're also working on the further plan, and the PCR test will be based on each community, and we will release the information as well as results today. Right now, we have 98 institutions can conduct PCR with a daily capacity reaching 90,000 people. That means we have enough tests to fulfill the needs. Thank you, Mr. Gao Xiaojun. Now I give the floor to Mr. Wang Hongchun from the Bureau of Commerce of Beijing regarding the temporary shutdown of the Xinfa wholesale market. Friends from the media, good morning. Now I would like to give you the more information regarding the temporary shutdown of the Xinfadi home market and also the supply of daily necessities. 3 a.m. today, we close down Xinfadi wholesale market. Xinfadi is a very important place to provide a supply of agricultural products as well as seafood products and meats to Beijing. So its shutdown may have a big impact to the sufficient supply of the products for our people. Therefore, we will conduct the following measures. First, we will have a temporary venue for treatment for the trading. So for the previous trading venues, right now we're moving to these temporary ones, including 5 areas. So vegetables can be conducted in Guoji Mingcheng Market. Second, Xinfadi parking lot. Third, Xinfadi village parking lot. Fourth, the international seafood product market. All these for the vegetable wholesale trading. And we will also have a temporary place setting for the trading of fruits. Regarding beef and lamb that will be transferred to the Yuegezhuang market.
周转1区和周转2区的所有蔬菜车辆全部进入周
For
转
all
1区
the
西侧停车
vehicles
场
using for transporting the vegetables and fruits, they will right now park at the designated places, and so we will let them to stop and parked
全部进入
at the
经开
3
路东侧
designated
的国
places.
际水产城院内进行交易，所有果品车辆全部进入洋房临时交易区进行交易。 进场车辆可根据交通指示指引。
So for the vehicles that are entitled to park inside the designated places, should follow the instructions
第一
on
个方
site.
面，信息告知：一是新发地负责通知经销大户，并由经
First,
销
regarding the information disclosure, we will keep our wholesalers
相关信
know
息。
all the changes as well as the temporary venues for further trading. And second, we will also utilize the multiple channels to give the information to the involved companies, traders,
临时交易场
as well as
相关信
restaurants.
息。四是通过信息新闻发布会向社会发布。
And we will also utilize a press conference to release the information to the public regarding temporary venues. And we'll also have our hotlines available.
83799560，还有一个电话
The hotline is 83799560.
0172。第二个方面，交易保障。
Another hotline is 83730172.
向临时交易市场派出管理人
The
员。
Xinfadi Market as well as the Fengtai District will assign a group of people to conduct
二
the
是所有临时交易场
supervisions
一律
on
免
site.
收进场费。
And all these temporary venue
展示休市期间
is free of
个
admission.
人消费用户。第三
And
个
the
方面
third,
组织交易。
it's a wholesale
一是
market,
由
so
新
we
发
not
地
really
组
do
织经
the
销大户
individual
通知
trading.
或委托代理人，帮助完成现场交易。有订单的客户也可主动
And we
联
will
系经
also
销
help
商，
the
按经销商指引
wholesalers
采购。二是由新发
to
地
finish
组织
all the
配送中
purchasing
心
or
对
the
餐饮、宾馆、
people with
机
orders
关、
will
企
find
事业
someone
单
to
位
help
等
them
客
to
户
finish
提
their
供
orders.
配送交易服务。三是
And
鼓
we
励
will
连
also
锁
help to
商超
transfer
企
or
业
do the
到场
logistic
采购，
part
加
to
大
send
商业
the
库存。
fruits and products to the
四、组织商家
companies
周底采购，
with
根据
orders.
现场交易情况，组织本市大型连锁超市或
Based
企
on the
业销
on-site
售
situation, we
剩余
will
蔬菜
also
和
have
水
the
果，
a large scale of the a
并做
supermarket
好政
to
府
sell
采
the
购储备。
remaining
五、做好全
products
市市
as
场
well
供
as
应保障。
government
一
procurement.
是继续深
And
化疫
fifth, we
情
will
期
also
间
do a
建
good
立的
job
生活
on
必
the a
需供
sufficient
应
supply
点
to
对
the
点
whole
监测服务
city.
机制。疫情
And
小
we
区
will also
生活
have
必
the
需
point-to-point
监测和应急保障措施，
replenishment
抓好
plan.
市场监测
And we
和
also have
供
an
应保障。
emergency plan in
二
place
是发挥
to
大型
monitor
超
the
市
a
企业
supply
流
and
通口岸
demand
渠道
of the
作用，
market.
鼓励蔬菜、肉类等货源企业和
And
商
we
超
also
企业直接
encourage
对接，
a large scale of companies to conduct a point-to-point supply, make sure that the supermarket have enough inventory. And will also help the supermarket as well as the wholesale market to conduct a flexible allocation in order to make sure a sufficient supply of the vegetable as well as fruits. So for the other wholesale market as well as the large-scale supermarket, also with sufficient supply to meet the need of the large-scale companies. All in all, we should have people ready nearby the vehicles to make sure whenever they need, they will have the orders to send to the designated place. And we will also intensify our efforts to make sure that we can guarantee the sufficient supply and also the on-time logistic delivery. 6, we will also establish emergency system during the shutdown period of the Xinfadi wholesale market. And we also have a group of people to conduct on-site supervision to make sure that we will fulfill the needs at this emergency time period. And we will also have people on-site to make sure everything is moving smoothly and orderly. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Wang Hongzun. Now the floor is open. Please identify your media affiliation before raising the questions.
谢谢主持人。中国日报记者提问。刚刚提到新发地周边有
China Daily
小区封闭管理。
mentioned that there are 11 compounds right now conducting close-off management. How you guarantee the normal daily life operation of all the residents living inside these compounds?
我们新发地周边啊，这个有11个小区。
So there are 11 compounds nearby Xinfadi wholesale market in order to curb the spread of the virus. So 3 a.m. this morning, we conducted the close-off management of these blocks. In order to make sure a smooth operation of people's daily life, we have the following measures. So we have the encourages from the government as well as volunteers regarding people's daily necessities such as catering, shopping. We will have people to do the shopping for the residents. We had some experience before regarding close-off management, so we have the contact information of each household. Therefore, we actually have 2 to 3 groups of people working in this regard to meet people's needs for their daily necessity. And regarding a special group of people in each compound, if they need to buy prescriptions or they need to pay a visit to the doctors, we also have the designated team to accompany them to the hospital. All in all, we will do everything we can to guarantee people's life not largely impacted because of the close-off management, and we will also actually send the information through apps or TV channels for people to know more information, so people do not need to be panic.
您好，中新社记者，想问一下出区长，就是我们都知道新发地市场它
China
周
News
围的
Agency
外来人员较多，
We
那在
own
地
the
域出
Xinfadi
现之
wholesale
后，在
market,
做
actually a
节
lot
奏
of
开拓的过程
migrant
中，如
people
何维护
living
好
or
周边的
working
秩序？
inside or nearby Xinfadi market. So during this special time period, how we can guarantee a well-orderly management of Xinfadi. So we talk about actually Xinfadi involve a large group of a population, especially the migrant population. So a temporary shutdown of a Xinfadi wholesale market also may cause some issues. Therefore, we conduct a following issues. So first, this morning 3 a.m., we issued information to the public regarding the temporary close off of Xinfadi wholesale market, and we also have 2 hotlines around the clock to answer people's questions. And clear the skies. Second, we also organize a group of cadres and volunteers for the key roles or transportation sections. We get the people trying to buy products from Xinfadi wholesale market. We get them to the temporary new places in order to meet their needs. And then regarding transportation, so this time we also received support from the police security as well as the volunteers to guide the smooth orderly of transportation. And this is the end of the Q&A. And you can find more information at our app or the official WeChat account, as also as the other large information apps or the terminals, as well as stay tuned with CGTN. Will also bring you the most updated information regarding the situation in Beijing for COVID-19 prevention and control measures. Thank you all the guests and also our media friends. And that's for today's press conference. Thank you.